How to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor is what I'm going to show in this video. The software options on this one would be to first check your manufacturer's website to see if there actually are drivers you can install for your monitor, so it has a better connection to your graphics card in order to give you 144 Hz, 240 Hz, or anything like that. And the Windows option you could use would be to hover over the Windows Start button, right click it and go to Settings. Under Settings on the left, you want to be in the Systems category. Now click on Display at the top. And as you can see, for me, it detected my second monitor. If it didn't for you, the fix could be to click on multiple displays, open up this drop-down menu, tick both of these, remember window location based on monitor connection, and minimize windows when a monitor is connected, and click detect on the right. This will detect if there are other monitors than the single one you have connected are there and display it. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.